my chat. Today, we're gonna get a muffin delete on this bitch. Not today, tomorrow morning. So ain't no other way to give y'all before and after. Spin my shit before and spin my shit after. Notice the fucking noise difference. Got the motherfucking cat. It's still the same day as the last video, bro. Been outside all fucking day. Got my nigga Scotty, Deshaun, Alexis, Marion behind the camera and shit.
Oh, no, know that. It's sexy, man.
I got some new lug nuts, so I'm straight. You know what? Get into it now.
Tomorrow.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah. He's loving it, bro. He got a 1,000 horsepower in that bitch. Got the brakes. Ooh, them bitches pop. Got all this shit right there. Take my shit in. Muffins for less, bro. I'll be here for the rest of my life. Never go nowhere else. Oh, bro. This bitch is crazy. Oh, bro. This bitch is nice, man. Got it up under the lift. Said he gonna do my shit quick. Look at this, nice as hell, bro. Trying to see what's under here. Transmission to cats. Everything. This bitch is crazy. We coming out. Boy, Rigo got me right. Let me see. bro. Slow and steady wins the race. Face ass. He knows the method. Hell yeah. Bitch gonna be hella loud. Go burn up.
That shit sounds beautiful.
12 o'clock midnight.
Finna hit this bitch at the fucking stop right now. Bro, this bitch sounds crazy. It's going from a BMW to this shit, bro. It's a whole different world, nigga. This not no shit that you just. It's out of life experience, bro. Back in this bitch. Damn, I need my brakes are screaming, bro. My brakes is fucking screaming. This nigga over there just chilling. Make sure you can really hear this bitch. Chill right here, because the police be sitting, they be sitting right here, bro, above this little hill, waiting for you to fly past. Looks like I'm chill right there. Alright, bet nothing. That bitch 30 roll, 40 roll, 3, 2, 1. Screaming, bro. Fuck. Damn, bro. That POV, this shit is out of this world. Can't nothing top this car. Low key, the F90 M5, but you know, we ain't gonna talk about that right now. We ain't gonna talk about the F90 right now. If I really start making money on YouTube, I got my regular job and shit, which brings in some decent bread. But if I start getting real YouTube checks, bro, M5 is what I'm investing in, bro. Throw this bitch back on auto. I'm investing in a motherfucking M5. F90, LCI, pre-LCI, I don't care. If it's pre-LCI, I'll get the facelifted, headlights. That's all you really need. So if I'd get a pre-LCI, it'd be a comp. If it's a LCI, it'd be just a regular, just because the fucking, that should be a bitch, bro. Made it to the crib. Now we finna spend some shit on bro.